Welcome. If you're looking to clean up your Instagram profile or just want to organize your content, archiving your Reels is a simple way to keep things tidy without deleting them forever. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to archive your Reels directly from your activity on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device and head over to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for the menu icon in the top right corner. It looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Tap that to open up the menu. From here, you'll see a list of options. Go ahead and tap on Your Activity. This section is where Instagram keeps a record of all your interactions, posts, and shared content, making it easy to manage everything in one place. Next, under the Content You Shared section, tap on Reels. This will show you all the Reels you've posted from your account. If you want to archive one or more Reels, tap on Select at the top of the screen. Now simply tap on the Reels you want to archive. You can select just one or multiple Reels at once, depending on how much you want to organize. Once you've made your selection, look for the Archive option, usually at the bottom of the screen, and tap it. Instagram will ask you to confirm your choice. Tap Confirm. And just like that, your selected Reels will be moved to your archive. They'll no longer appear on your public profile, but you can always access them later in your archive if you want to restore or review them. That's all it takes. Archiving Reels is a great way to keep your profile looking fresh while still holding on to your favorite memories. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips on managing your Instagram content. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.